In this video, I am going to share how to fix the WPS Office keyboard not working problem. I will show you 2 steps to fix this issue. Sometimes a document gets stuck, which can cause the keyboard to stop working. First, try closing the document completely and then reopen it. After that, check whether the keyboard is working or not. If it is still not working, go to the WPS Office homepage. Tap the 3-line menu and then click on Settings. Scroll down and you will see the Restore Default Settings option. Click on it to reset WPS Office. After the reset is complete, reopen the document and check whether the keyboard is working. That's it. Your problem should now be solved. If the issue still persists, the final solution is to update WPS Office. Updating the app can fix missing or corrupted files and resolve the problem.